Hi, my name is Naz. I have come from Delhi. I live there and I had been experiencing prolonged pains in my shoulder as well as my knee. When I got the MRIs done, the reports were suggestive of a ligament tear, and all the doctors I went to straight away suggested a surgery to be done. I was very skeptical because getting surgery or getting a part of your body removed just by a mere recommendation is something I was strictly against. I learnt about Kotnis Hospital that such ailments or such pains are taken care of through acupuncture therapies, and I wanted to give it a shot. So when I came here, um, Dr. Indrajit is the head of this hospital. When he looked at my reports, he actually laughed and told me that you don't need to worry about anything. You would be up and running in no time. And that was really a miracle for me. After about 3 sittings of 15 days each, I was actually able to climb stairs without any pain in my leg. I was able to walk, run without any limp, and that really helped me. Not just my knee, I was also experiencing a lot of pain in my shoulder. Uh, my arm was literally hanging by a very few muscles and it was very painful. And today I am also able to dance onto the tunes of Bhangra songs, which has always been such a pleasure for me. And this is merely a blessing that I got to know about Dr. Indrajit, Dr. Kotnis Hospital, and the miracles which are performed here. I really, really strongly recommend that this therapy, the acupunctures, and should really get a global recognition where people would actually be helped and get to know, yes, there are alternates from just getting body parts removed or getting your bodies opened to really get an ailment fixed, which might or might not work. But this is through experience. Trust me when I say this. It's been really helpful and my life's really changed for good.